Hi there! I just wanted to show you how our fawn turned out. She just turned out adorable. I love her little hairdo and the furry legs, precious little hands. So if you haven't joined us in the contest, please do. Or if the contest is passed, go ahead and get your kit and come and join us to make a fawn anyway. We'd love to see what you create. So I wanted to tell you a little bit how we finish off this base that I showed you how to make in the videos. This is just some epoxy sculpt that's over some foil clay and some foil tape. And now we're needing to add the second layer, which is the bottom, that we will just add like this. I just created another sheet that's probably, about a 1/4 of an inch thick or so. And then I'm just going to be pressing that together and then sealing these edges together as well. And then if you need to adjust the hoof area, if she wobbles at all, you can add some more epoxy sculpt around there as well. But that's a really, really easy way to make a base, just like this. Then you can let it harden. This epoxy sculpt will harden within a few hours, and then you can paint it as desired. Acrylic paint works really well on this, and then finish it as desired, and then it fits perfect for your fawn to sit into. Here's a closer look at her face. She just turned out so adorable. Hope you enjoy these videos. Here's a closer look at her face. She just turned out so adorable. Hope you enjoy these videos.